clutch in. Yeah, down on the shifter. Once. You're in gear. Now, go that way. Let the clutch, don't pop the clutch, just start letting the clutch out. It'll hit about halfway out.
Do I need to start walking forward?
No, just start. And maybe bump a little bit of gas when you feel it start to pull. And kill it. Don't fall over.
Oh my God, Dad. It didn't catch at all. I didn't
Right. Round 2. And once you get going, you'll be fine. Just idle it around.
Oh, man.
Don't give it a bunch of gas.
What the hell? I'm gonna eat this.
Hang on, I gotta sit down. It's gonna be a while.
I need to get it pointed downhill.
Well, eventually you're gonna have to start it flat.
Eventually, I'm gonna start it one day. Oh shit.
You in neutral? Go kick it. You'll find out because it will roll you if you're not.
I think I'm in neutral.
Yeah. You're gonna get good at starting it.
Why is it so easy to start now?
Because it's warmed up.
Did you fix it?
No, it's just warm.
Oh, okay.
Don't run into anything if you ever get going. You're never gonna get going.
I'm never gonna get going. Am I popping the clutch while
Yeah.
I'm doing it? Not giving it.
You're popping the clutch.
Oh, okay. You didn't tell me that.
I told you don't pop the clutch. I told you 100 times. Don't. You're not in neutral.
I'm gonna get very good at starting it.
Don't go too high up. You'll be in second. My hand's getting tired of holding the camera. I started it. Oh, shit. At least he didn't hit the fence with the telephone pole. We can come up here. Oh shit.
That thing freaking hard.
Yeah, he's gotta be a little braver, a little braver. Alright, clutch, and stop. Stop.
Neutral?
No, go.
What?
Go. Not hit the telephone pole.
Fuck. This thing launches.
Neutral.